Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy. We are making our Alfredo sauce from scratch today. I started out with 4 tablespoons of garlic butter, 1 tablespoon of garlic mince, and I'm using half and half because for some reason they didn't have heavy cream, so I had to substitute. It's okay, it won't be sweet. And these will be the cheeses that I will be using today. I found this at Sam's Club. So I love all of these, so I pray that they turned out great. Minus the mozzarella. So my butter has completely melted, and I'm just gonna start adding my cheese. Okay. Then we're gonna just stir this in. This is Home Cooking Done Roxy. Please follow me. Instagram, YouTube, subscribe to my page, Home Cooking Done Roxy. This is Alfredo sauce. We're making our own for Alfredo sauce. I love the one I like is the ragu. Lately, I have not been seeing it on the shelves here in Miami. So I decided I'll just make my own. I tried the other brands. Not so great. I don't know, it just wasn't giving me that flavor that I like. So I already put my garlic. I use half and half instead of heavy cream. I use garlic butter, and now I'm just waiting for my cheese to melt and my noodles are boiling. So I'm gonna use these. It's gonna be a seafood pasta. Sit back and relax, we got this. 2 pounds of shrimp, a little bit of garlic salt, stir it in. If it ever seemed just a little bit too watery, just add cornstarch or flour to thicken. This is homemade Alfredo sauce with asiago, romano, and parmesan. Home Cooking Done Roxy Alfredo sauce. Enjoy.